The federal lawmaker representing Abia North, Abia South Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Alex Ikweje, has been caught on tape assaulting boat driver who came to his residence to make a delivery. Stephen Abuwateya, the boat driver, was contracted by a vendor to deliver some food to Honorable Ikweje at his residence in Maitama, Abuja. Upon getting to Honorable Ikweje's residence, the senator requested that Abuwateya bring the food into his premises. Contrary to the policies regulating boat drivers in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, he politely refused the request and urged the Honorable to send someone to pick the food outside the gate, as is customary with delivery services. Mr. Abuwateya's refusal to take the food into the premises resulted in Honorable Ikweje's physical assault on him. The lawmaker threatened to make him disappear from Nigeria and repeatedly dared him to call the Inspector General of Police while threatening that nothing would happen to him. Ikweje shouted at the boat driver with tons of insults and threats. "Imagine this rat. I can make you disappear from Nigeria and nothing will happen. I won't give this silly boy 1 naira of my money." The boat driver replied, "You've been insulting me since, and I've been keeping quiet." The first time lawmaker doubled down on his threats, saying, "I'm not going to call the police officers to beat you up. I will beat you up. I will show you that I'm a big brother to you."
Imagine this rat. I can make this man to disappear in the whole Nigeria and nothing will happen. Can you imagine this rat? I'm not going to give this boy 1 naira of my money. No. I'm not going to give this silly boy 1 naira of my money.
You've been insulting me, and I'm being quiet.
I pray that you do. I pray that you insult me. Can you please insult me? I'm not going to call my policemen to beat you up. I will beat you up. I will show you that I'm a big brother to you. I will slap the hell out of you and I will lie you down, lock you in my generator house. How dare you?
Why should you do that?
Who the hell do you know who you're talking to? Do you know where you are?
The boat driver then questioned the lawmaker. "Why should you do that?" Abuwateya requested that the lawmaker pay him his money, but Ikweje became furious. He reacted with slaps to the boat driver with a loud voice saying, "Do you know who I am? I am the Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria." When he saw the boat driver trying to film the exchange, he told him, "Tell them I'm Honorable Alex Ikweje, a member of the House of Representatives. Go and call the IGP. Call him, let him come here. Record me very well. You came to my house. You disrespect me." The lawmaker then slammed the driver's recording device. In response to the lawmaker's act, Stephen Abuwateya filed a petition through his lawyer Marvin Omoribe of Deji Adeyanju and Partners law firm against Alex Ikweje, a member of the House of Representatives, over an alleged assault. The petition was filed on Monday, accused Ikweje of grievous assault, abuse of power, attempted murder, and threat to life. Sharing his ordeal, Abuwateya said not taking the food into Ikweje's premises accords with both law. The Nigerian police force, via its ex-handle, reacted to the incident by saying that Kayode Egbetokun, the name of its IGP, was not meant for intimidation. The police force also urged the public to refrain from using the name or office of the Inspector General of Police to intimidate others, as such action undermines the value of impartiality that the IGP's office upholds. The FCT Commissioner of Police, CP Olatunji Disu, has ordered an investigation into the matter. As confirmed by police spokesperson Josephine Ade, Ikweje was invited for questioning and the Federal Capital Territory Police Command has detained him for the alleged assault. The lawmaker took to his social media X account to address the issue. "I'm deeply sorry for my actions and acknowledge that they were unacceptable and unbecoming of a public official. As a public servant, I recognize the trust my constituents and the Nigerian people placed in me. My behavior fell short of the standard expected of me, and I'm truly sorry for that. I understand that my actions have caused harm and embarrassment to the driver, my constituent, and the nation." As the assault gained more public interest, social media personality Martins Otse, famously known as verydarkman, has criticized the House of Representative member Alex Ikweje over an alleged assault of a boat driver in Abuja. He also petitioned the Inspector General of Police Kayode Egbetokun and demanded actions against the lawmaker. Question lingers, such as, will justice indeed be served? What will be the outcome of the investigation? We will continue to monitor this story for fresh updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.